Well, that is a whole debate and more, especially when VAR is brought into the question. But for the moment, it's undebatable. Vipers lead by a goal to nil, and now Cesar Manzoki! Unbelievable! All hail the king, Cesar Manzoki! Out of nowhere! Caught everybody unawares! Oh my word! His name should give you sure warning. His title, the Emperor, should be enough to send alarm bells. You do not make hasty decisions. You do not make catastrophic mistakes and expect to go unscathed in the Emperor's reign. Cesar Manzoki doubles the tally for Vipers.
And of course that makes it 8 goals for him in this season. But just look at the kind of play there from Amiu Kakomo. You cannot play back in that kind of manner. You know that that's a schoolboy error. You've got to play the ball outside, not playing it towards your goal. And then he loses sight of it, he loses possession of it, and Cesar Manzoki realizes that the goalkeeper is out of position. He just pokes it into the back of the net. But that's kind of instinctive strike. But that one, that proves what a good striker should be like. And that is Cesar Manzoki, instinctive and a poacher.
All hail the Emperor. That was some technique. Oh, and Boto thrown there. And as well as Oscar Mawa seems to have a very aggressive streak about it. He